Alrighty, so quick story here is replaced the tires on this 2020 Honda CRV a couple weeks ago, and I was driving this weekend and this message popped up while I was driving. Tire pressure's low. Obviously that concerned me, so I pulled over, checked, made sure all my tires were good. So looking it up, and it looks like it could be an issue with calibration. So there is a method of recalibrating the TPMS system. So I'm gonna give that a try and see if that makes the error go away, because I did confirm all tires are up to pressure, including the spare. I don't know if this one has a sensor in the spare, but made sure anyway. So let's give it a try and see what happens. Okay, so without hitting the brake, we're gonna push the button twice to get it into accessory mode. So you can see there's the air, tire pressure sensor. I'll let the system boot up. So we're in home, settings, vehicle, TPMS calibration, calibrate. Calibration started. Now we'll drive the car for about 20 minutes and see if the light goes off. So we'll start the car and let's see if everything behaves. So light is not on, so that's a good sign already. We shall see. All right, drove the car about 20 miles or so, probably about 20 minutes. Also stopped the car, turned it off because I had to stop at a store. Came back out and restarted it, and the light is staying off. So yeah, it looks like it just needed a recalibration. Fingers crossed that keeps the problem solved. Use this as a guide for doing the steps to recalibrate, but also just in general, if something goes off, you get an error message, something, take a look, do a little research, see if it's something you can do a quick diagnosis on your own. Also, there are some auto stores that will run an OBD scanner on your vehicle for free, so you can at least get the codes if you have like a check engine light. So use those things to your disposal, and that way you can go into a repair shop with a little bit of extra knowledge, and yeah, it could help you, save a little money in the long run by knowing what you need to fix before you go in. So anyway, as always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and until the next video, I'll see you later.